Before you travel to Kano State, learn Hausa language.
Taimakon nan sai ka mun addu'a ka mun tana duniya wani matsalar shi amma da take wani jikinsa ne ke kaikai wani bawan Allah da shi ne ke ɗaukar zafi wani zafin fitsari wani in yi fitsari ya ƙare sai ka ga kamar
I recently took a trip with a friend to Nigerian Center of Commerce, the ancient city of Kano State in northern Nigeria. On my arrival to Kano State, a woman approached me at the park and asked me a question in Hausa language. I looked at her and told her I don't understand Hausa. She smiled and said, "And you are in Kano? The first thing you do before coming to Kano is to first learn Hausa language." As strange as that might have sounded, I get the point she was trying to make. But luckily for me, I wasn't alone. I had a friend who is fluent in Hausa language. On leaving the park, we headed straight to our hotel in Sabongiri, a suburb in the city of Kano, populated mainly by visitors. On getting to our hotel, we settled down, freshened up, had our dinner, and went straight to bed. The next morning, our tour commenced. Kano is a vibrant city, way more vibrant than I have imagined. As a first-timer in the city, I wanted to interact with the locals, but that seemed very difficult, as most of the people I tried talking to kept telling me, "Ba Turunchi," which means no English, Nausa. I had no other option than to leave every interaction and discussion to my friend and our guides. Our first destination was the famous Dala Hills, believed to be where the city of Kano started. The hill is one of the most important and popular landmarks in the city of Kano. Leading to the hilltop is a stairway of 101 steps. The hilltop presents an amazing and breathtaking view of the ancient city of Kano. On leaving Dala Hills, we headed to Tiga Dam, one of the major tourist attractions and largest irrigation dam in Kano State. The dam was constructed between 1971 and 1974, covering an area of 178 square kilometers. One of the activities one can carry out at the dam includes fishing or canoeing, but unfortunately, we weren't able to carry out any of these activities because of time. After exploring the dam, we headed back to our hotel, and the next day, we left for Minjimbiri to explore the famous Poto Golf Resort, one of the most famous and most popular resorts in Kano State. The resort was indeed a sight to behold, with lots of activities to keep visitors engaged.
So ya ce ma. You never stop. You will stop now. You have to. Yeah, look at me. Ah, wait, look at that. Go front. What other key? Go front. Come on. Oh, you video now? Yeah. No, these are go through.
On our way back from the resort, we stopped by at a local brickmaking site along the road before heading back to the city.
Babu hanyar tafiya
Before leaving Kano State, we explored the Kano city center with some of its major tourist sites, like the tie and dye pit, said to be over 500 years old, the Emir's Palace, known popularly as Gidan Sariki, said to have been constructed in the 15th century, the Kano Museum, Gidan Makama, and the ancient Kano City Wall. As a tourist in Kano State, if you want to enjoy your stay in this city, make sure to go with a guide, a translator, or better still, learn the language of the people.